Hi guys, and welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to work on the rat rod. Front suspension has to come off in order to sand it down properly. We got quite a few welds we need to do up here. Just kind of noticed a few more. But so what we're working on today is getting the front suspension off and over to the side, and then starting to weld up and grind and sand this whole front area. Let me take you down there and kind of show you exactly what I'm planning on doing today. First thing we need to do is take this leaf spring off. It has two U-bolts here and a screw. Screw them all down up to this. You need to take that out and drop those, and then take these off, then unbolt them from there. And then I think there's one bolt. Maybe not. There may not be a bolt in that. Anyways, we swing that off and get the cherry picker, kind of hold it up, or we may use some jack stands since we'll be pretty much welding and grinding today. But welds wise, need to go over here, kind of finish that out and grind it back. Put some weld under here. Same on this side. Same on this back side, this back part here. Kind of clean this up here. Might even put some weld right in here. And a lot of grinding to do and all this stuff. But I don't think it's too bad. I think the majority of the time it's probably going to be disconnecting everything and getting it out of the way. But anyways, right now I need to take this off, pop these loose, and take two nuts off back there. And I think all this will just kind of drop out once we start lifting it up. At least that's the plan. But we'll see how far we get today. I'm just basically just going to try to weld and grind, kind of prepping for next time. But here's something weird. I think you hear it's raining. It's been raining here where I live in Oklahoma for about a week now, which I'm not complaining. We could use the rain, but I think tomorrow morning is supposed to be in the 20s, so we go usually from extreme heat to extreme cold and vice versa. So if you're from Oklahoma, you kind of understand how it is, but at least the camera shouldn't overheat tonight. Probably gonna set y'all up here and kind of do like I did last time. It seemed to help. If y'all could, please stay to the end of the video. It does help my channel out a lot, and kind of get some more help coming to me. Kind of YouTube shows it to more people. I think we're at 890 at 1,000. I think I'm going to do another giveaway. It's kind of a big thing for a channel, especially when you didn't think you'd have more than a few hundred at most subscribers. But I want to thank each and every one of y'all for coming and hanging out with me every Monday. Hope this is entertaining, or you get some form of entertainment out of it. I enjoy doing it, and I think we come a long ways, especially on the Bronco. We still got a lot to do though, but I'm going to get this rat rod done and kind of out of the way so we can have some more room to finish up on the Bronco. But anyways, enough talking. Let's start getting this kind of taken down. I'm going to see how hard it is at first. I don't have much time out here, so if it gets too tedious, then we may just do a simple strip and weld what I can weld, and hopefully not mess anything up. But try to get everything dropped and get to work. All right, we got it done. Not sure exactly the whole these springs up here. I mean, never done anything like this before, so let me know if it's supposed to do that. Basically, those brackets and this screw right here was holding all these together. I do know I need to clean these and paint them for sure. But if y'all dealt with any of these type of vehicles, let me know if that's normal or not, because I have no clue. But we got a little bit of time out here, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into kind of cleaning these welds off and trying to start putting some weld up here and down here. I may get my heat gun out and try to heat up the metal a little bit, or that might help. And we'll focus on just trying to make sure these are steady and strong. And then we'll try to put this back together, which I don't think will be a big issue, but it's just kind of time consuming. Anyways, enough talk. Let's start cleaning these up a little bit, and then we'll start putting some weld in, and we may try to make them look nice. It got me again. There's a little bit more welding than I anticipated, especially these shock mounts. I think I'm going to ground down what I got welded here, look at it, and ground down that shock mount over there, kind of show y'all what that looks like, and then if we have time, then we'll come back and start welding up some more. My welder's acting real funny. I think I'm about out of wire. Yeah, it's getting low, but I guess the tip's pretty dirty. But let me grind this right quick, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. All right, got part of that side done. I'm gonna bring you down here and kind of show you what it looks like. We got this pretty much welded up. I think it's pretty sturdy. Start grinding here, and I can kind of, I think I ground down too much. You can kind of see a crack right here where they capped this off. So I may actually put some more weld in there and just slightly feather it out. Don't know how to get these welds in here knocked down very well. That little sander I have works okay, but it digs into this too much. I may just have to get a file and just file it. Same way within here and in here. Those don't look too good. But, and then we got this kind of down how it's supposed to be, and all this welded up on the back side here. That pretty much has to happen on the other side too. They do have a bunch of weld right here, so I may not weld up underneath here like I planned on, but these need to be better than what they are. They actually welded this one up pretty good, except for this right here. I do think the heat gun helped a little bit. Made the welds stick a little bit better, I believe. I gotta put all this back here in that. Whew. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Kind of gotta put this back together and slide it out of the way. Actually, it's 8 o'clock and I'm supposed to be in putting the girls to bed right now. So, but if you made it this far, thanks for watching. We're slowly getting there. The Ferdinand's gonna take me a little time. Didn't know there's that many welds I had to finish. But hopefully once they're finished, they'll be good. And we can move on with sanding and painting. And then finally getting to run the brake lines, or maybe painting the rest of this. Those shock mounts in the back we have to do something with because they're crooked and everything else. If you made it all the way through the video, thank you a lot. It does help channel out a lot, helps me out a lot, and helps my watch time. I think I'm at 1833 watch hours, and I need 4,000 and able to get monetized. Like I said, any money I make off these videos will go back into these vehicles, probably most of it into the Bronco, because it really needs a lot. This one is not as I won't say not as important, but it's not as particular as I want to be with the Bronco. Anyways, thank you for watching again, and like I said, next time we'll be back on this rat rod. We'll probably do the other spring perch, and we do need to sand these leaves down and paint them. May get me some matte black paint, and we can start painting some of that stuff too. Thank you again, and I'll see you next week.